So it's been raining all day, and Woo, it's finally slowed down. So I let Woo out to go to the bathroom, and she won't come back in. She's just sitting out there in the rain. I'm gonna have to go get her, and I just got out of the shower. I guess my hair is still wet. It's a little still damp, so I guess I need to go find an umbrella. But then I can't hold the phone and go get her at the same time with the umbrella. So I'm just gonna have to get wet. She will not come in. I have to go get her with a leash. She will not come in. Woo, come on! I'm getting the look. Hold on, let's see. Woo! Woo, come on! Come on, Woo! Okay, here we go. Come on, Woo! Woo, don't go back there. There's spiders. Mommy can't go back there. Come here. Come on, Woo. Woo. It's raining. What are you doing? Woo. You're so beautiful. Look at you. Come here to Mama. Oh, where's your thing at? Oh, you're going to paw me? She puts her paw up when she doesn't want me to do anything. All right, come on, let's go. It's raining. Let's stay on the porch. Come on. Woo, come on. Come on, it's raining. Come on. Come on, it's raining. Woo, come on, let's go. Come on. Raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. Bumped his head. Went to bed. Didn't get up till the morning.